Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with FortiClient MFA for secure remote work, full guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with FortiClient MFA for secure remote work, begin by ensuring your FortiClient application is installed on your device. Open the FortiClient application by double-clicking its icon on your desktop. On the main dashboard, locate and select the option for VPN. Enter the required VPN credentials, including your username and password. After entering your credentials, click on the Connect button. Once connected, you will receive a prompt for multi-factor authentication. At this point, open your mobile device and launch the FortiToken app. Make sure your device is connected to the internet to receive a time-based one-time password. In the FortiToken app, locate the account associated with your VPN. The app will display a 6-digit code that refreshes every 30 seconds. Return to the FortiClient application and input the 6-digit code in the designated field. After entering the code, click Submit to proceed. If the code is correct, you will gain secure access to your remote work environment. If the code is incorrect, you will need to wait for the next code to refresh in your FortiToken app. Once successfully authenticated, make sure to monitor your connection for any signs of disruption. For added security, log out from the VPN after your work session is complete. Regularly update your FortiClient and FortiToken apps to ensure you have the latest security features. Following these steps ensures that your remote work remains secure with FortiClient MFA. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.